Okay, good morning. This is your geography revision class, and today we will do second chapter. The name of the book you all know, Fundamentals of Human Geography, and the name of the chapter is the World Population Distribution, Density and Growth. The people of a country are its real wealth. It is they who are the actual resources. First paragraph tells about the value of the people for any country. In second paragraph, it is important to know how many women and in second paragraph some aspects like how many peoples are living in villages or cities, how many peoples born each year, how many of them are males and how many of them are females. These all things are described. The world at the beginning of 21st century. In third paragraph, it is described that in the beginning of first 21st century there are 6 billion or more than 6 billion peoples living on the earth. Why do people refer to live in certain regions and not in others? This is important question. The remark of George B. Creasy about the population of Asia, that Asia has many places where people are few and few places where people are very many. It is true about the pattern of population distribution of world also. Means this shows that pattern of unequal distribution of population. Okay. George B. Creasy also highlighted this point. Patterns of population distribution in the world. Patterns of population distribution and density help us to understand the demographic characteristics of any area. The term population distribution refers to the way people are spaced over the earth's surface. Population distribution means people are spaced over the earth's surface, means how many peoples are living in Asian continent, or what is the percentage of peoples living in Asia, in South Asia, East Asia, North Asia, means overall spatial variation of population distribution. Broadly 90%, you all know 90% of population is living only in 10% regions, and there are 10 countries which have more than half of the population of the world, and out of these 10 countries 6 exist in China, 6 exist in Asia, and the 6 which are present in Asia are Asia, India, Indonesia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Russia. Ralph, left hand side, Ralph Waldo Emerson, a person who spoke about the importance of women in any country or in a nation building process. Density of population. Density of population is referred to as the ratio between the number of peoples to the size of land. Means how many peoples are living on that particular country or in the area of that particular country. So density is population divided by area. Factors influencing the distribution of population. This is most important topic. Geographical factors. Geographical factors, first one is availability of water. You can see the fresh water availability or the water availability to industries or to navigation of goods and things. So fresh water or availability of water is an important geographical factor. Second one is landforms. Landforms means plains or mountains or plateaus. We all know in plain or in gentle slopes regions the population distribution is more than that of hilly regions, because in crop production can be simply uh, crops are crops can be simply produced in plain regions, and in plain regions also the development of infrastructure is uh, easier than that of hilly regions. Ganga plain is the example of these plain regions. Next one is climate. Very hot or very cold climatic conditions are generally exposed to unfavorable for human habitation. So the climatic regions like Mediterranean regions is a historical uh, inhabited place. You can see the Misr civilization or the mm, Rome Empire. These all ancient civilization emerged in the Mediterranean region. And so climate is also an important factor. Next one is soils. Uh, we all know fertile soils or fertile loamy soils are favorable for the crop production. So the intensive agriculture take place in these fertile soil places. So soil is also an important indicator of population distribution. These four are the geographical factors of population distribution. And second, economic factors of population distribution. Minerals. Uh, the regions having more deposits of mines or minerals are more populated than that of other regions of earth. One of the example of this region is Katanga, Zambia, Copper Belt in Africa is one such good example. Number two, urbanization. In urban areas, opportunities of educational, health facilities, transport, communication are better. So the urbanized areas are more populated than that of rural areas. Industrialization. The factory workers, but also transport operators, shopkeepers, bank employees, doctors, teachers, and other service providers are included in industrialization. In these industrialized areas, population is more than that of the other regions of world. Kobe Osaka region of Japan is a thickly populated belt because of there are a number of industries present in this region. So these 3 points determine the economic factors that influence the distribution of population. Social and cultural factors. Social and cultural, first one is government offers and incentives to the people. If government gives better incentives or better offers to the people also move towards these places. So these places are highly populated than the other places. Cultural way, you can see the religious places are most populated than the other places. Population growth or population growth and population change is the same thing. Population growth or population change refers to the change in the number of inhabitants of a territory during a specific period of time. This change may be negative or positive. This is an important point. Population change or population growth may be expressed either in the form of absolute numbers, means कितने लोग बढ़े हैं 1500, और in the terms of percentage, कितनी percentage increase या decrease हुई है. Population change in an area is an important indicator of economic development, social upliftment and historical and cultural background of the region. ये किसी भी रीजन की इस सभी चीज़ों को इंडिकेट करता है. मीन्स people move from backward regions to the richer places or to the places having better facilities. Some basic concept of population geography. Growth of population may change of population in a particular area between 2 points of time. Growth may be negative or positive. Growth rate of population is expressed in percentage. Natural growth of population, natural growth of population is the difference between births and deaths of the particular region between 2 points of time. एक्चुअल ग्रोथ रेट, एक्चुअल ग्रोथ में देखो बर्थ माइनस दैट प्लस माइग्रेशन माइनस आउट माइग्रेशन. एक्चुअल मीन्स जो रियलिटी में हुआ है, बट नेचुरल मीन्स जो बाय नेचर हो सकता है. पॉजिटिव ग्रोथ ऑफ पॉपुलेशन, birth rate is more than that of death rate. Negative growth of population is when birth rate is less than that of death rate. Or the migration components of population change, components of population change, birth, death and migration. Crude birth rate is expressed as number of live births. Crude means total number of live births in a year per thousand of population. So CBR is number of live births by population into 1000. Crude death rate is a simple method of measuring mortality of an area. Crude death rate is expressed in terms of number of deaths in a particular year per thousand of population in a particular region. Okay, CDR, death by population into 1000. Mortality rates are affected by the region, demographic structure, social advancement and levels of economic development. Means मोर्टेलिटी रेट्स किस चीज़ से इफेक्ट होते हैं, वहाँ के डेमोग्राफिक स्ट्रक्चर को इफेक्ट करता है. सोशल एडवांस मीन्स मोर्टेलिटी रेट जिस रीजन का ज़्यादा होगा. मोर्टेलिटी रेट मीन्स पर थाउजेंड जो बर्थ देने की एज ग्रुप में महिलाएं उनमें से कितनी की डेथ होती है. तो मोर्टेलिटी रेट ज़्यादा होगा तो वहाँ की वो सोशल बैकवर्डनेस को दिखाएगा. बट मोर्टेलिटी रेट कम होगा तो क्या होगा, डेमोग्राफिक स्ट्रक्चर वहाँ का सही रहेगा, वहाँ पर एडवांसमेंट ज़्यादा रहेगी, इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट ज़्यादा होगी. माइग्रेशन, माइग्रेशन आप जानते ही हो, मूवमेंट ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. प्लेस ऑफ ओरिजिन, जहाँ से प्लेस दे मूव फ्रॉम, जहाँ से वो जाते हैं. प्लेस ऑफ डेस्टिनेशन, वेयर दे मूव आउट, मतलब जाकर जहाँ पर रहते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड माइग्रेशन में भी परमानेंट, टेम्परेरी और सीजनल. यू ऑल नो, रूरल टू रूरल, रूरल टू अर्बन, अर्बन टू रूरल एंड रूरल अर्बन टू रूरल एरियाज. इमिग्रेशन, इमी मीन्स इमिग्रेंट, migrants who move into a new places. I means imi, in, under, ana. Em means immigration, move out from a particular place. The push factors may make the place of origin seem less attractive for. Push means जहाँ से population out, move out करती है. पुश मीन्स धकेलना, जहाँ से बाहर जाती है. तो उस एरिया की क्या दिखाती है, ओवरऑल सोशल बैकवर्डनेस को. या जैसे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, पुअर लिविंग कंडीशंस, पॉलिटिकल टर्मोइल, अनप्लीजेंट क्लाइमेट, नेचुरल डिजास्टर, एपिडेमिक, सोशल इकोनॉमिक बैकवर्डनेस, ये सभी क्या है, पुश फैक्टर है. मीन्स इन प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से वहाँ से लोग और कहीं जाकर रहते हैं. पुल फैक्टर, पुल मीन्स अट्रैक्ट करना, खींचना. अब उसका ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा, बेटर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज, बेटर हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज, बेटर लिविंग कंडीशंस, पीसफुल एंड स्टेबिलिटी, सिक्योरिटी ऑफ लाइफ, प्रॉपर्टी, प्लीजेंट क्लाइमेट. ये सभी क्या होंगे, जो ये अच्छे मतलब पॉजिटिव फैक्टर्स हैं, ये क्या करेंगे, पुल करेंगे, अट्रैक्ट करेंगे पॉपुलेशन को. ये हमने आज इतना कर लिया है, बाकी कल ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. बस आप अच्छे से, रिवीजन क्लास है, रिवीजन में रिवीजन ही होगा. आपको कोई दिक्कत हो तो आप ग्रुप में मैसेज कर देना. और इसको एनसीईआरटी लाइन बाय लाइन आपको पढ़नी है. पिछले चैप्टर के कुछ लास्ट के टॉपिक रहते थे, उनको आपको पहले वो टेबल खुद पढ़नी है. उसमें डाउट हो तो पूछना, नहीं तो मैं करवा दूंगा. आप मैसेज में बता देना करवाना है या नहीं.